guys, good evening. Welcome to Pixellab. So in this tutorial I'm just gonna explain to you the various tools in Pixellab and how they functions. So the first tool here on my top left corner is the edit tool. That one there is the edit tool. So the edit tool here is for help you to write any text for function. If I tap the edit tool, you can edit anything and you can copy any tool. The next tool here is what we call the delete tool. The delete tool here, that is the delete tool there. The delete tool there is for you to help to delete anything. For example, once as you have opened Pixellab like this, the first thing you need to do is to delete this default tool where you see new text. Where you see new text here is for you to delete it so that you can start your own. You need to delete this one. So you touch the delete tool and you click on OK. Now the next thing here, Pixellab now have been on default for you. So what you need now to do is for you to start your work. So after you see the word Pixellab here, where you see this word Pixellab here, the next tool there is what is the redo tool. When you undo and you do anything you have done, you can redo it. After the redo tool there, the next tool there is what is a zoom tool. This is a zoom tool here. That tool there is for you to zoom your box. You can zoom 100%, you can zoom 50% as you like. Then the next tool after the zoom tool here is what we know as what the grid tool. What is the grid tool? The grid tool is for you to help you to align your text. If you remember when I was talking about the principles of design, we need to align text. So when you tap the green tool, you will see alignment. Now in this grid tool, you can edit the tool. You can touch this section for you to be able to edit it, to shift it according to how it tag. For example, I want some things to be left towards. I will touch this left tool and I drag this alignment to where I want anything to be aligned. So you can easily adjust it to what you want. So after the align tool here, the next tool here is what we know as what the layer tool. This is one of the most important tool because this tool helps you to arrange your layers according to how you want. You touch this to any layer that you have opened, anything that you have opened will be created on a layer, and on your layer panel you will be easily arrange it. So when we'll be talking about layer and how to use layer on Pixellab, we'll talk about it easily. So after your layer tool here, we talk about our next tool here, which is what our Pixel. This one, our art tool. Here is the master space for Pixellab. The art tool is a master space for Pixellab. This art tool helps to add anything that you want to add. For example, when you touch the art tool, it will show you that if you want to add text, you touch text. If you want to add date, the current date of your phone, you touch it. If you want to add a sticker, you touch it. On the sticker package, Pixellab have stickers that have already been made and installed that comes with Pixellab. So you can take any sticker, you can add a shape, you can take any object from gallery, and you can draw anything by pen. So after that tool, then the next tool there for you is what is a save tool. After the art tool there, the next tool here is a save tool. This tool here, that is a save tool. The save tool here helps you to save anything that you have done. If you have finished working everything, you can save it as what? You can save it as a project. It means a raw project that you can continue later, and you can save it as an image. And on Pixellab, you have the propensity to save according to how you want the resolution to be. What we'll be talking about how to save on Pixellab, we will talk about that more detailedly. So after the save tool here, the next tool behind the save tool here is what we call the share tool. This share tool here for it to help you to share directly online, WhatsApp, Facebook, and the rest, and all other social media sites. And after the share tool here, the next tool that you see is a tool that Pixellab have made it embedded that contains codes that you can just copy and paste into your design. If you touch it, you will see numerous codes for motivation, codes for success, codes for happiness. So Pixellab have made it already easy for you that you can create a design. Don't know what to write under, you can just come here and you choose a code that you want. So after the three dots on your right corner here, these three dots here are the option bar for you. When you touch it three dots, you have the various options to use from all these things are also found here. So when you come down on your bottom right corner is this area that I'm telling you people to come down here like this. Here is for you to choose anything that you want. This first box here contains what? Contains the various projects that are already been made by Pixellab that you can just choose and start from there. The next here is the A2. The A2 helps you to work on text and quotes. This other pyramid rectangular pixel here, if you touch it here, we have options that you can add sticker, you can import photo, you can draw, you can control shapes, you can do bezier. Bezier there is like what you do about pen tool, to draw pen tool and others, and you can do arrowing. After that, the next two here is what? This double rounded rectangle, you have the option for you to do what? To add color, to do a transparent background, to change the size of an image, to crop, to work on your image, to take image from gallery and other options. And the next, this other two here talks about other detail, when, for example, photo, rotation, vignette, noise, trees, brightness, contrast, hue, and saturation. So all these tools are already made for you on Pixellab, and this is how all these tools function. For example, when I was talking about layering here, also have many options. So guys, we'll be talking detailing on tool after tool. So these are all the tools on Pixellab. Thank you very much.